Yeah, this is all the doing of our EA. This EA practically begs for change, but it is super accurate. It's best to use this on a broker that do not accept commissions from you so that you can be more profitable, because if you pay commissions, then well, I don't know, this EA is not for you. If you have a good broker, I'm telling you, this is for you. Now watch what this EA had done or had achieved today. I'm going to scroll. Look at that. Look at that. All of this, you would soon understand that compounding has power. Compounding has a lot of power. This is compounding. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, it takes one or two losses here and there, it recovers it back. But at the end of the day, you'd see that that loss is nothing. At the end of the day, you see the loss is nothing. Watch this. Watch this. Look at that. Look at that. In one day of trading, this E had been trading for about 24 hours now, almost 24 hours. And look at that. Oh my lord, it doesn't get any better. It doesn't get any better. Boom. There you go. It's non-martingale. It's not a greed EA. This uses safe strategy. The focus is keeping your account safe. Look at that. I'm tired of scrolling, man. I'm tired of scrolling. Where does it end, man? Look at that. And we make moves, and we make moves, and we make moves, and we make moves, and that's it. We're going. We're going. Come on, I gotta fasten this up. I'm tired of scrolling. Just today, even if you're a human, you can't take trades like this here and there, here and there. You gotta be tired. But this EA does it all, man. Okay, let me. What? Come on. All right, and it ends the day in profit. Now the daily target for this EA is $50 a day. $50, you close out and you rest. $50, you close out, you rest. But I decided to let it run all day because there are some folks whom I gave the investor password to this account so they can see what is actually happening on a live account. So this is it. This is it. It doesn't get any better. It doesn't get any better. Contact us and let's hook you up. Peace.